Oh, Arces out. We have Noble Scholar. Pass to begin. Danori inside. Coat of Arms. Sunday Street. Bubblegum LC. The Reclamador and Jokes only. As they leave the straight, we have Coat of Arms and Noble Scholar. Sorry outside. 2 lengths. Zoe in third. LC in the middle. Sunday Street is by Darrell. Alongside fourth comes Bubblegum, Reclamador and Jokes only. We've got Coat of Arms and Noble Scholar matching their strides together. 2 lengths, watching them is LC. Bubblegum is racing on the outside for Sunday Street, Reclamador and Jokes only. Passing the half mile, we have Coat of Arms by Oralenka. Noble Scholar still in second, LC in third, Bubblegum in fourth. Moving up by Darrell now is Reclamador, Jokes only and Sunday Street. Coat of Arms still in front by about 3/4 of Alenka. Noble Scholar now coming closer on the outside. LC now in third. And in fourth, Reclamador. Moving up on the outside is Bubblegum. Noble Scholar and Coat of Arms fighting it out for the lead. LC now moving up on the outside. Third, Reclamador is by the last. They come down at the last 200. We have Noble Scholar. LC is on the outside. Coat of Arms. Reclamador is by the last 100 meters. Noble Scholar. Coat of Arms. Reclamador is running down on the inside. It's now Reclamador. And finally Reclamador. Coat of Arms. Noble Scholar. Then comes El Cid.